Where are we?
Over the course of 9 days and 3,467 miles, we adventured out to Colorado. We explored scenic roads through the mountains, took on some rough trails, and even tried out some whitewater rafting. Here are our Colorado adventures of 2018.
It's Tuesday morning here, and during our pre-ride inspection we found that we have one KLR with a low rear tire pressure, so we're pumping it up. We didn't see anything that's puncturing it, but this is why you always do a pre-ride inspection, especially on long trips like this. You don't want to be blowing out a tire on the highway. We're sitting here in the Coors brewery. We're getting our tour. It's self-guided. We got these fancy little sticks, so we push the number corresponding to where we're at. So let's check it out, see how it goes.
Back in the day, this is one of the older cans. They actually had taken them out of production because when you'd open them, they would curl, and then people would step on them on the sand beaches and get their feet. So they moved on to a different stage of sealing the can.
So we're walking into the largest brew house in America, or the world. I forget which one. One of them. So here we are. Walking down. Here's the room with the big beer vats. Just awesome. The biggest brew house in the world. So right there is where all the cans come down. They flow down here. The boxes come in all flat, so then you have your little box opener. It pushes all the cans into the boxes. As it keeps going, it seals the boxes, and they go on for transport. We're at the Coors parking lot, just got done with the tour, about to take off again. We noticed the rear tire is low again. So what we're gonna try and do is, there's a dealership in Colorado Springs, so it's just outside of Pikes Peak. We made reservations there tonight too, because it's really hot out. So they told us that if we get there, they'll put it in for us, put a new tube on, and I'm gonna actually look at getting a new rear tire as well, because I didn't switch out my rear tire before we left. So we'll keep you guys updated. So we just got done eating. We stopped at an awesome local Honda shop here in Colorado Springs. They said that they'd put a new tire on and tube for me, and fix my dad's tube and throw a new tube in for him. So they were awesome. They got us in last minute. It's July 3rd, right before the big holiday. So it was really awesome that they were able to get us in. We really appreciated it. So we went across the street, we ate. Now we're heading back, hopefully gonna get on the bike soon, and it's really hot out tonight, so we're probably gonna end up camping out in a motel again. But we'll see how it goes. So I brought 2 shirts along on this trip, and we're not halfway through, so I can't switch out. We're staying at a hotel, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, because I gotta wash this. It's a little dirty. We're not savages, you know. So we'll just use a little bit of shampoo. That should take the smell out a little bit, right? No? Maybe? I feel like that, who's that one lady that went to prison? Martha Stewart. Yeah. I feel like Martha Stewart with like a DIY video right now. Kinda, a little bit. Look at me, I could do laundry all the time. Beautiful, all kind of clean, but it smells better, so that's all that counts, right?